Hi all. I hope you are all doing well. So everyone is busy celebrating this Diwali. I mean, the celebrations have started just 2 to 3 days earlier. So it's good that we are celebrating Diwali. I know it's a challenging time now because everyone were fighting with this pandemic and everything. I understand that, but still, this is the time where we still have to realize and work responsibly. So, enough of polluting our environment and enough of troubling other beings. Just understand that this Diwali, these crackers are really harmful to Earth. See, in case if you're not doing anything good to this Earth, that it doesn't matter. But it's better you do no harm, no good, no harm. That's always better. You don't have to do something. You just don't have to harm the Earth so that it just it's a very good thing if you ask me. So that's why I'm here to request everyone to have an eco-friendly Diwali, to not go for crackers. And there is no fun actually. Just think about it. There is no fun. What is the fun in just polluting something, polluting your own home? It's nothing but your planet is your home. So I'm just requesting everyone, and especially I just wanted to talk about animals. Animals can hear 7 to 8 times louder than what we are going to hear. It's nothing but burning this hydrogen bomb or something just right next to your ear. So you know how painful and how drastic it is. And few people, they just abuse animals at this point of time. They tie these crackers to their tail, and a lot of physical pain they go through. And I hope you understand why I'm here today to describe their pain. Please understand and just stop burning firecrackers. And second thing is, first thing is about environment, second thing is about animals, and third and most important thing is for yourself. You're protecting this planet only to protect this generation, the coming generations and everything. So please be aware. It's time to just think and get those things back what we have lost, and make sure that the situation is not worsened up. And one more thing, the people with asthma and everything, and the senior citizens and kids, they are all going to have a lot of pain. Kids are going to cry, and asthma patients are going to suffer like hell. Just think about it. Think about why we are doing such things. What is fun in just bursting out and giving out pollution, sound pollution, noise pollution, smoke pollution? What is all these things? Are we doing anything good with this? Obviously no. So it's time to realize. Everyone is realizing. Even I want to have fun, but I'm always having fun. I'm just looking at the alternatives to have fun other than suffering other people or other beings and this planet. I don't want to harm anyone. So I really hope you understand this. Please do not harm anyone and just celebrate. It's not a celebration at all if you ask me. So I hope I have conveyed my message well. And if you're seriously along with us to just fight against climate change and take a pledge to protect this mother earth. And whenever you see an animal in distress, please make sure that you call local NGO. And in case you feel that a stray dog or a community dog is afraid of the sound, and it just wants to take shelter temporarily in your home or apartment or anything, let them in. And make sure that you observe everyone, how people are treating those animals. If they're threatening them or abusing and anything, please give a call to nearby NGO and whosoever volunteer So even if humans are in distress, make sure that you take care of them, take care of your kids, take care of your health, and please take care of the mother planet Earth. Please understand. I hope you have an eco-friendly Diwali. Enjoy yourself a lot more than ever. Thank you so much.